what octopus can do is nothing short of spectacular. You know, they're from another planet.
Yeah.
He's like, that is the way they change their texture and their color and the way they do it instantaneously to adapt to their environment and how well they blend in.
I think they're the most alien creature that exists on planet Earth.
Yeah.
It's just like it can open jars, it can close them, it can come out of the aquarium, go back into it. It'll swim over if it knows you. It knows if it doesn't like you. Like, it's
That's so wild, man.
Isn't that nuts?
It's just so weird how they can instantaneously change their coloration and their texture and then perfectly blend in with coral.
Right.
Like when you see them like stop on a coral reef and just become the reef, you're like, what
Instantly,
are you?
too. It's like,
zoom. And up to you that there's biologists that believe that they came in asteroids and eggs.
You got it.
Yeah.
That's exactly right.
Octopus eggs look like.
Whoa.
And so they're developing those intelligent chromatophores, that thing that basically the skin picks up the color and changes to match right there in the embryo.